In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn money from Instagram by collaborating with Gate.io. If you are a video creator and you have a passion for crypto, then you can earn money online via Gate.io. All you need to do create videos about Gate.io and upload it on your Instagram account and you can earn up to $10,000 per month. Gate.io is a cryptocurrency exchange. If you are a crypto trader and you are looking for a medium to buy or sell your crypto tokens or coins, you can use Gate.io. First of all, you need to create an account on Gate.io. The link is available in the video description. So after creating an account, log in into your account and first of all, you need to click on giveaways. Here you can read the latest announcement and here it is. Join Gate Insta Influencer team, get a $500 welcome bonus and up to $10,000 in monthly income. So the requirement is you must have more than 1000 followers on Instagram account and the campaign duration is May 11th to May 25th 2022, and to apply you need to fill this form, but before we apply let me show you all the details and benefits. So after you reach an agreement, you will get a fixed monthly income of up to $10,000. So you can get a $500 welcome bonus for completing the Gate Influencer Challenge. Invite 50 new valid users in 2 weeks starting the time of the agreement. The first 10 influencers who have signed up and cooperated with us will be awarded a $100 cooperation reward. Once you cooperate with us, you can get a maximum $10,000 in monthly income. Influencer with cryptocurrency field experience can get up to 50% of spot trading commission during this event, and additional 30% of the contract trading commission will apply when the cooperation is concluded after the event. Airdrop for your community. We will award your community fans airdrop rewards from time to time. Here you can read the terms and conditions. The posted content cannot be deleted. Videos that have been used in other cooperative events for Gate.io will not be counted in this program. All new users need to complete KYC verification and deposit no less than $100 for the first time before they can be considered as a valid invited users. All submission must be original works of the participant. Resubmission of videos from previous Gate.io competitions are not eligible for this program. Rewards will be distributed in equivalent tokens and dispatched to the winners. The transaction can be viewed at My Wallets, My Billing Details. Participants must agree and comply with the Gate.io terms and conditions. Any content or actions that could defame the Gate.io brand are strictly prohibited. Gate.io reserves all rights to the final decision. So now let's open the form and apply for it. Here you need to enter your UID, your email, your Telegram, your country and your Instagram link, and finally submit it. And you can win $500 welcome bonus and up to $10,000 in monthly income. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.